first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics, also known as of conversion of energy, states that energy can neither be created, destroyed, but it can change from one to another. First law of thermodynamics example. Plants convert radiant energy of sunlight to chemical energy to photosynthesis. We eat plants and convert the chemical energy into kinetic energy while we swim, walk, breathe, and scroll to this page. Switching on light may seem to proceed energy, but it is electrical energy that converted. Second law of thermodynamics. Second law of thermodynamics state that the entropy in a isolated system always increases in a isolated system. Is spontaneously involved towards thermal equilibrium, the state of maximum entropy of the state. The entropy of the anniversary of increase and never decrease. Many individuals take the statement lightly and for granted, but has an extensive impact and consequence. Hot to cold. Third law of thermodynamics. Third law of thermodynamics state that the entropy and system approaches constant and value as the temperature approaches absolute zero. The entropy of the Cyroslane substance perfect order at absolute zero temperature is zero. The statement holds true if perfect crystal has only one state with minimum energy. This is a picture of the Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit. This is an example of third law of thermodynamics example. Number 1 is the molecules within it move freely and have high entropy. Number 2 is if one decrease temperature below 100 degrees Celsius, that the steam gets converted to water where the movement of molecules is restricted, decreasing the entropy of water. 3. When water further cooled below 0 degrees Celsius is get converted to solid ice. Instead, the movement molecules is further restricted and entropy of the system reduced more. 4. As temperature of the ice further reduce, the movement of the molecules in the restricted further and entropy substance goes decreasing. 5. When the ice cold is absolute zero, identically that entropy should be zero, but reality is the impossible to call any substance to zero. In the last law, zeroth law of the thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics state that if two bodies and individual in equilibrium with a separate third body, then the first two bodies are also in thermal equilibrium, which is order A, B, C. This means system A in the thermal equilibrium with system C and system B is also equilibrium with system C. The system A, B are also in thermal equilibrium. That's all.